Come test drive the 2021 RAV4 Prime. The Toyota RAV4 Prime offers high-end hybrid technology with the SUV platform. With the technology, space, and overall good looks, it's no surprise this hybrid SUV is turning heads. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, power moonroof. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.